Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter egg bread using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, including 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 large eggs. Ensure your butter is softened to room temperature for easier mixing. We'll combine the dry ingredients before adding the wet ones, creating a smooth dough. This simple approach ensures a perfect loaf every time, even for beginners. Get ready to bake something truly special. To begin, in a large bowl, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a separate small bowl, activate 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast in about 1/2 cup of warm milk. Once foamy, add this to your dry ingredients along with 1/2 cup of softened butter and 2 large eggs. Mix these until just combined. Now, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes. You'll notice it becoming smooth and elastic, slightly tacky but not sticky. Form it into a ball, then place it in a lightly greased bowl, turning once to coat. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently punch it down to release the air. Shape it into a loaf and place it into a greased 9 by 5-inch bread pan. Let it rise again for another 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. Let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing and enjoying your homemade butter egg bread.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.